Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download and install fonts from DaFont.com. So what you want to do is you want to go in the link in the description, or just type in DaFont.com, DaFont.com. So I'm just going to pick a random font. I'm just going to pick this one. You want to click on download here. Or actually, I'm going to pick this one. You're going to pick download. You're going to pick yours, and you're going to click download. And you want to download it to wherever you want to download it out. Down to my desktop. I'm going to save it. Just going to save it. And then what you want to do is you want to extract it. By doing that, you want to take your zip folder, right click. First what you want to do is you want to click it once and then right click. Click open with Windows Explorer, then click Windows Explorer. Then you want to click extract all, and then click extract. And it's extracted. Wherever it is, right here, hunting, so it's extracted. Double click it to open it, and here's the open, and then you want to double click on the open or whatever type font file it is. Then double click it, and then this should pop up. You just want to simply click install, and it's going to install it, and it's done installing. So you're going to close that and close it, and it works and everything. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, till next time, peace.